Can you talk a little bit about taking our products with medications? Is there any interference or any concern that someone should have if they're on a pharmaceutical product?
That's always a question I get, especially with me being a doctor of pharmacy. What I love most about our products is we don't have any interactions, so to speak. We don't have any contraindications. Now, having said that, as you're taking our products, and as I've stated what we're doing, you are improving your body over time. And when these things come out, guess what? And I didn't address one of your questions as well as I could have previously. Guess what? We're increasing glutathione. Remember, you asked that question. Glutathione is what the liver helps produce. It helps to clean up everything. All right. And the body is capable with glutathione to do a lot of different things. Now, a lot of people today are on a new bandwagon of, oh, let's go in and get injectable or in IVs of glutathione. Even doing that, there's a biofeedback mechanism that only allows you to get somewhere around 5 or 8% of your glutathione to increase by getting an IV. But when you take the NRF2 product, we have proven to increase our glutathione by 300%. Does it do it directly? No, it's the activation of the NRF2 that activates the liver to do its job. And as a result, we get great amount of glutathione coming in and helping to break down things. The same with our superoxide dismutase. Those are all enzyme processes that all go into keeping that cell healthy and taking out the trash. Okay. And so back to understanding when you have medications and you're on these medications and you're taking this, as your body starts getting better, you may need less of your medication. So a lot of times, I'll have people that'll be on our products for a little bit of time, and a few things will happen. A, as the body starts waking up and glutathione goes up, there's bits and pieces from those medications that have been stuck in the liver. They get processed in the liver and the kidneys, right? So guess what? Some of those parts, all of a sudden, the body wakes up and goes, holy moly, what's this mess? And it starts getting rid of them. So you may have somebody say, you know what? I'm having a few days where I'm not feeling well. I think your product's making me ill. It's not our product making them ill. It's their body starting to get rid of some of the things that have been stuck there for a while, right? Especially if they've been on medications. Now, there is one exception. When somebody is on blood thinning medications, I'm very cautious because eating green leafy vegetables, having a salad changes dosages on Coumadin and on other blood thinning mechanisms in our body. So we have to be cognizant of the fact that as the body is improving and we're getting rid of some of the junk that's in our blood that's creating the issues why they need to be on the blood thinners are going away, they may actually be starting to need less of their blood thinning products. And that's why it's important for them to make sure that they're having their blood levels tested. I usually say within 6 to 8 weeks, at least inside 3 months of getting started. And I will start people that are on Coumadin and blood thinning products a little bit slower so that their body has a chance to get caught up.